Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to delve deep into the world of maintenance, specifically focusing on planned maintenance and scheduled maintenance. We'll be shedding light on the key differences between the two, their unique roles, and how they intertwine to form a comprehensive maintenance strategy. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, you'll find this video incredibly insightful. Let's get started. Welcome to another exciting video from UpKeep, where we provide tools and resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Today, we're going to dive into the world of maintenance and explore the differences between planned maintenance and scheduled maintenance. You might think that planned maintenance and scheduled maintenance are the same thing, but there are some essential differences between them. To put it simply, planned maintenance is all about detailing how and what work will be completed, while scheduled maintenance is about determining who will complete the work and when it will be done. Let's start with planned maintenance. This process kicks off with a problem and then identifies the necessary materials, tools, and tasks to tackle that problem. It's a process that involves inspections, ordering parts, describing processes, and prioritizing work. All these responsibilities fall on the shoulders of the maintenance planner. Now, the planned maintenance program for a facility might include scheduling, but sometimes this scheduling happens separately, handled by a maintenance scheduler. Now let's move on to scheduled maintenance. This process starts once all the work has been fully planned out. The scheduler then steps in to determine who will perform the work, set an overall time frame for the work, and pick a specific date to kick off the work. But this schedule isn't just about specific dates. The work can also be performed at repeated intervals, like in a preventive maintenance program. It's important to note that while they are different, neither planned maintenance nor scheduled maintenance can exist without the other. Without maintenance planning, a job can suffer from a lack of proper materials, tools, and process documentation. On the other hand, without maintenance scheduling, employees might not even know they are assigned to a job, the wrong employees could be assigned, and the work won't have a clear timeline. When both maintenance planning and scheduling operate effectively, maintenance technicians and contractors can perform their work without any organizational problems. So, to sum it up, planned maintenance refers to the process of planning materials and tools, ordering parts, and detailing services necessary for work. That's the how and what of the process. On the other hand, scheduled maintenance refers to the process of setting a timeline for when maintenance work will occur, as well as assigning the proper employees to that work. That's the who and when of the process. Understanding the difference between these two processes is crucial for any maintenance and operations team. It ensures that your team is well prepared, well organized, and ready to tackle any maintenance task that comes your way. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the critical differences between planned maintenance and scheduled maintenance and their importance in a comprehensive maintenance strategy. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.